So I'm going to be talking about how much you can potentially earn or what can actually happen when you trade the Bybit P2P with about 1 million nairas. All right. Now, a lot of people have asked these questions, and I'll just talk about what it looks like, what the profit potential looks like, and of course, what can happen when you trade with 1 million naira on the Bybit P2P. Now, this is specifically for the merchant program. All right. Now, this video do not teach you how to be rich. All right. I'm a merchant on several platforms, so it is very easy for me to understand how much 1 million naira can produce at the end of each trading day. All right. So don't take this video as a financial advice. Just take it as what it can be possible when you trade with 1 million naira. All right. Now, first things first, I would like to mention that you don't earn the same amount every day when you come to trade. Okay, each day has its own profit or losses or what it can be. There is no specific amount that you must make each day, so it fluctuates. You can make 3,000 naira today, you can make 8,000 naira tomorrow, you can make 20,000 naira the next day, you can make 30,000 naira other days. For example, currently I'm not in Nigeria, but I have some Nigerian accounts I make use of to trade on P2P, and of course that can be possible. Even I also have some dollar accounts I use on dollar trading P2P. Okay, so let's just get straight without talking so much. So I'm going to click on this area where you find P2P trading, and I'm going to head straight into the P2P market. By now, I understand that you know what P2P trading is, how to trade it, or how to make profits from P2P. If you don't understand it, then don't worry yourself. All right, I've made things so easy for you already. I've added the full tutorial on how you can understand P2P trading. Just pause this video and go down on the description. You'll find the full video about how to trade the P2P. Okay, how to understand P2P trading. So let me click on acknowledge and let's get straight into it. All right. So quick. Of course, from this area, for if you have understood it already, you know that merchants buy on the sell side. Okay. So merchants buy on the sell side, and at the instance or at the beginning, your 1 million naira should be inside your bank account. Particularly, I would suggest any bank that charges really low for trading, so you can avoid those commercial banks. You can use other microfinance banks that charge lower. All right. And there's something I always say, always look at your competitors, look at the kind of banks they are using, and that should be the exact kind of bank that you should also be using. Okay. Now, what I'm going to say is that I always put on this amount area, I always put in 30,000 naira. I've said it so many times. I put in 30,000 naira here for a particular reason, and that reason is simply because um I love I love the fact that when I put in 30,000 naira, I tend to buy cheaper. So Bybit is arranged in such a way that if you put Bybit is arranged in such a way that if you put Bybit is arranged in such a way that if you put in 30,000 nairas, you can buy cheaper if you are a merchant. All right. So quick, I'm just going to click on this area where you find all payment method. Okay, when I click on all payment method, I'm just going to select um bank transfer. So you can see bank transfer on this area. You select bank transfer. Then I'm also going to select confirm. You can see confirm here. So when I select confirm, it's going to show me my buying price. Guys, it's going to show me my buying price. So you see other people who are actually buying. So this is my buying price. This means that as I'm a merchant, I'm just a trader here, and people come here to sell me their USDT. For example, you that is watching this video right now, the simple question I want to ask you is, if you want to sell USDT, where do you go to sell on the Bybit? You come to this area, right? You click on sell. Now, whenever you click on sell, we who are the merchants are buying your USDT because you are selling it to somebody, and you're selling it to me, or you're selling it to any other merchant available at that time. So, for example, if you click on sell, it means you're selling it to this merchant. All right. And this merchant is buying it at the price of 1469 per USDT. So this simply means that currently my buying price is 1469. So you can set your own buying price depending on what you like. You can see this guy, this is this guy's buying price. This is this guy's buying price. So anybody who comes to sell to any of them may just click on any of the sell. Now, we have a class about P2P merchant business. Okay, so in that class you can learn further things about P2P trading and how you can get more customers than your competitors, because there are so many competition or competitors here. There's a lot of competition here. Okay, so basically the average buying price as at today for merchants is 1467.55. So I'm going to just go straight to my calculator. Let's do some maths. So your capital is 1 million naira, and if I type in 1 million naira here, I'm going to divide it by 1467.55. This means that if people start coming to sell to you and they are selling to you, remember I told you initially your 1 million naira will be in your bank. So anybody who comes to sell their USDT to you, you're going to pay them from your bank to their own bank and you get their USDT. At some point, you find out that all your 1 million naira in your bank has finished. At that point, you will discover that you have 681 USDT inside of your Bybit account. That is just simply how it works. 681.4 USDT will be in your Bybit account. So you are supposed to go and resell that USDT and see how much you can earn for that particular round of trade. So I'm going to go back to P2P trading on Bybit very easily. Now you're going to do the opposite of what we did initially. So what is the opposite? There are people who come to Bybit to buy USDT. Okay, they come to buy USDT. And when they come to buy USDT, they are going to come to buy your USDT that you already have. Okay, because you have USDT about I think 600 and something USDT. People who wants to buy USDT will come to buy, and they will buy from you because the USDT is already inside of your Bybit app. All you have to do is to create an ad, become a merchant, and you'll be able to sell off your USDT at a better price. All right. Now, like I mentioned, this video do not teach you how to make profit. It doesn't guarantee you any profit. This is because we don't want people who listen to these videos to think it is guaranteed income or it's a get rich quick scheme. Okay, it takes a lot of research, a lot of work, group work, learning, tutorials to make money on the Bybit P2P. So it's not magic. All right. Now, like I mentioned, when people come to buy, they come to this area, they come to buy. And the good thing about understanding this is that when somebody, when you click on buy to buy USDT, you are buying the USDT of a merchant who already has purchased USDT and has the USDT already on Bybit. So at this point, you are the person who will be paying the merchant money and they'll be giving you the USDT. So right now I have about, let me check my calculator, 681 USDT. So right now I have about 681 USDT, 681.4 USDT on my Bybit app. Okay. So anybody who wants to buy USDT, I'm going to sell that 681.4 to them. So to arrange this properly, I'm going to click on this area where I find amount. Okay, and I'm going to put in the full amount of my capital. Remember the first time I was doing this, I put in only 30,000 naira, and I explained why I put in 30,000 because from my experience on P2P trading, whenever I put in 30,000 naira, I tend to buy cheaper. But I want to sell everything right now. Okay, I want my money back, and since I want to sell everything, I need to put in the full amount. Or payment method, I'm going to select bank transfer. Okay, so I'm going to select bank transfer, click on confirm, and once you click it, you find the price which other merchants are selling their USDT. People who are using your same kind of capital, how much are they selling for? You can see that the selling price is 1474. Okay, currently. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to multiply 1474 multiplied by the amount of USDT you'll be selling. So 1474.1, I'm going to come to this area, this calculator, and so you see that we are going to be selling at the price of 1474.1. But this was our buying price. So basically we bought at 1467 4.55 and our reselling price is 1474.1. All right, so you can see the difference between the buying and selling price. So I'm going to just do this and multiply by 1474.1. So which means for every round of buying and selling USDT with 1 million naira, as at this time, you're making about 4,463 nairas. Now, this includes fees. There are fees also attached here. So, before you pay all of these fees right completely, you might be left with just 4,000 naira when you have purchased 1 million naira worth of USDT and you have resold it. This is not a guaranteed income. Of course, like I mentioned, on some days it can be higher than 4,000. It can be 5k, it can be 6k, it can be 7k, it can be 8k, it can be 20k per round, depending on the buying price and the selling price as at that time. So when people come to ask me, how much can I earn in a day when I'm using 1 million naira, there is no specific amount. It depends on the market behavior as at that particular time. Okay, on some days you can buy for 1467 and you sell at 1480 or 1477. All right. So, but as for today, you can see our selling price is around 1474. So, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to subtract our capital of 1 million. When you are subtracting the capital, you have 4,463 naira. Now, this is what you get when you buy and sell as at this particular time. All right. Now, how many times do you want to trade in a day? That is the next question. As a merchant, I can go as much as 25 times, 30 times, to trade in a whole day. So if you are able to go 25 times in a whole day, you can earn around 111,580,000. Okay, and not this is without fees inclusive. Okay, but if you are new into this trading, you cannot go as much as 25 times because you will not have much patronage because you are still new. People don't trust you. People are just trying to do business with you. So you can basically do maybe just say 7 times or 6 times or maybe 4 times or 5 times, okay, on an average. So it's still cool for you if you're using such amount of capital. So I think this will be the end of this video, and I brought this out to just illustrate what it looks like. Like I mentioned, this video is in no way teaching you how to make profits because we don't want to paint it as guaranteed income. This is just from my experience and what I've seen so far trading several P2P markets. So if you have questions, you can come down in the comment area and ask me your questions, and I can make a video based on your question or I can answer it directly. For now, I'll say another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.